Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use live wallpaper on iPhone. If you want to use live wallpapers on your iPhones, you just need to follow some steps. First, you have to take a live photo. For this, you just have to open camera, and here you have a live option. Just tap on it. As you can see, I have enabled the live mode. So now you have to take a photo as I have already taken. Now go back, open your phone's settings, and here just scroll down and look for the option of wallpaper. Here tap on it, and here you will get another option which is add new wallpaper. Tap on it, and then select live photo, and after that choose all. And here you will get all of your live photos. I am going to select this one that I have just taken. And here you'll get the option of live. You can tap it to disable it, and now tap it again to enable this, and you can see you can crop it, zoom in and zoom out. So after doing this, you just have to tap on add to add this on your wallpaper, and here you have to select set as wallpaper pair. Tap on it, and now you have successfully selected wallpaper of your live photo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.